Tokyo. And right now we are exploring to see if there are food machines on our floor. And I see vending machines this way. It's to get you to purchase a card. There's no actual vending machine on the floor.
Go back to our room.
Alright, you guys ready to see? So what we need to do first is to insert your room card key right here. And voila, this is what you got. So obviously, take off your shoes at the front. Compared to the one we were just at previously, we actually have these really nice, I would say like kimono style.
I thought they were called yukata, which means it's like evening loungewear, I believe.
So next, when you walk in, you see that you have this lovely desk.
Underneath here is where it really gets cool because these are like your evening pajamas. Once again, these are what you wear to the grand spa, the bathhouse, the onsen, whatever you will. You have your facial tissues. This is your hair dryer and also a VLAN cable where you can hook your computer up directly to their internet. It's really nice. You get 2 plugs. You have your tissues, your notepad, your remote, our key card, air freshener, fabric and air freshener, your little phone if you need to call the front desk, some touristy and other reading materials, and as David says, you get your glasses for your water and whatnot. You have your coffee, and then you also have your creaming powder as well here with your green tea powder as well. Anyways, bringing it full circle to our whole 200 square feet. It's actually probably only 100 and something. We have our lovely canopy bed. Once again, this is much nicer than our first hotel. But yeah, really nice. It's a double bed. It just has 2 lamps over here that you can control from our little master panel here. Also, you have your air conditioning and all your other lights for the room as well when the card is in. Your very thin pillow, and then the bed is actually super comfortable, I will say. And of course, right in front of your bed, you got your TV. And it lets you know how crowded this spot is, the hours. They have indoor hours here. The other one had indoor and outdoor hours. I'm not sure if this one has outdoor hours here.
This is the best part.
Is it?
Besides the bed. The bed's really nice.
Yeah, the bed's really nice.
Voila!
This is the bathroom. As you know, everything is kind of combined in one. So the toilet is freaking amazing. I wish this was a wave one where you open it, but it's not. So this is your toilet slash bidet. You have your sink over here, and of course your shower with the shower head. You can remove it and put it down lower if you are going to be washing your hair first. Bathtub, bomb. Sink, cute, everything. Every APA hotel has shampoo, conditioner, and body wash for you to use. These razors are actually much better than the razors that we had in our other hotel. It has hair brushes, hair ties, which is cool for this one, shower caps, Q-tips, toothbrush, toothpaste, and body towel. Have your other towels up here, body towels, face and hand towels, your panel to control the bidet toilet combo.
All right, so we're gonna go get some food now from 7-Eleven. We are starving, and then we will give you guys a full hotel tour in just a second. So this is the area of the hotel, as you guys can see. This is the main lobby. First impressions of the hotel, I give it a magnificent 10 out of 10. I wish we would have filmed the other hotels to have something to compare to.